Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey cheesecake. First, let's prepare the delicious crust. You'll need to combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Then, firmly press this mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Bake the crust for about 8 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to set it perfectly. This creates a sturdy and flavorful base for your cheesecake. Now, let's create the luscious honey filling. Start by beating 24 ounces of softened cream cheese in a large bowl until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next, gradually incorporate 3/4 cup of honey and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, gently beat in 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice until everything is just incorporated. With your filling ready, carefully pour it over the pre-baked crust in your springform pan. Ensure the top is smooth and even. Bake your cheesecake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. Once baked, turn off the oven and let it cool inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. Then, cool completely at room temperature before chilling for at least 4 hours. To finish your magnificent honey cheesecake, consider drizzling a little extra honey over the top or garnishing with some fresh berries for a pop of color and flavor. For the cleanest slices, use a warm, sharp knife, wiping it clean between each cut. Your patience will be rewarded with a truly delightful dessert. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.